Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to make my style of Mexican shawarma. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my further videos. And now let's get into the video. At first, let's marinate and fry the chicken. I have taken salt in a bowl and I am adding chicken to it. I have taken boneless chicken and I have cut into stripes like so. I'm adding turmeric, black pepper, cumin powder, garam masala powder and chili powder and paprika and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'm also adding ginger, garlic and red chilli paste. I'll be providing the ingredients in the description box below. Now I'm going to mix it thoroughly and marinate it for 4 hours in refrigerator. I have taken out the chicken. Now let's shallow fry it. You can use any oil to fry this. I'm using olive oil. Now let's fry it. I'm frying it in high flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Our chicken is cut into small and thin pieces. Please avoid the mess around my stove because it was a time for iftar preparation. I'm gonna dry fry this chicken until it cooks very well. I'll close the pan with the lid for 5 more minutes. I think it's done. You can watch that my chicken is cooked very well. Now here you can add hot sauce and chili sauce. It's optional. And next we are making tortillas. We have to take cold water in a bowl. I'm using ice cubes here. Add salt and oil, then mix very well. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil also and canola oil too. These are flavorless oil. We will mix this thoroughly before adding flour. I'm adding cake flour here. You can use bread flour too. I'll be kneading this to a very tight dough. Okay, now cover it and rest it for 15 minutes. Let's shape the dough into balls. I'm making medium-sized balls. I'm done with making balls. Now let's roll out the dough and bake them. You can watch how am I making it. I'm applying oil in between the rollout dough. I'll be making 5 layers and I will roll this out into a medium pan size. Like so, and then sort it. We have to sort out on both sides. You can watch how am I doing it. And then pull out layer from above and below. Sort the pulled out layer on the pan. and keep on repeating the process until we are done with every layers. Let's prepare some vegetables now. I have taken long diced cucumbers, small diced tomatoes, shredded carrots and shredded cabbage. Let's season the mayo. I'll be using chili flakes to season my mayo. My mayo has garlic and onion flavor to it, so I'm not adding those flavors. You can add hot sauce too. Okay, the second last step is mixing everything in one bowl. We are mixing the chicken and the vegetables. I'll be seasoning it with salt and white pepper. Then we will add our mayo to it. Then mix everything very well. Then let's finalize it and make shawarma. Take the tortilla sheet, add the mixture, then add fries. I have taken the slurry to stick my roll. I'm folding the mixture with the tortillas, then rolling it up. You can see I'm using the slurry to stick it. And these are the french fries I made from scratch. If you want the recipe, I will provide the link in the description box below. I'm showing the same process again. You can do it this way too. Add the mixture, then fold it from the center and then fold it from the side and then roll it up. I'm sorting my rolls on the pan. Okay, avoid that one french fries popping out. We have to get beautiful brown dots on our rolls. So it's done. Let's serve it. Now my spicy Mexican shawarma is ready. Please try this recipe at home. It's very juicy and fully loaded. If you have tried my recipe, please share the pictures in my Instagram ID. I'll provide the Instagram ID in the description box below. If you liked my Mexican shawarma, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.